not my type, man.
I know that.
Peaceful. Peaceful. Is that what you mean by rings are cheap? I don't want to make anybody feel peaceful, man. I was born to drive men crazy. Somebody told me that I'm the only woman in New York that you haven't had.
I just made a simple statement.
Oh, don't misunderstand me. I appreciate the honor. It's not like I don't know who I'm talking to.
Stop it. You're embarrassing yourself. Okay?
I'm sorry. But if you and me got together, What I mean by my type
Is the type that you don't have to be faithful to. I know that.
everybody says you're a mind reader.
I am?
And I'm going to Chicago.
And you're sorry that you can't take me.
No. No. And you quit reading my mind.